nayo, usiwapatie pesa, ujipange.
Kadhi nyime eni jarubura manyatike Tom Odege obwogo mari urekodi jopiny riebo kontrakta mabene nomi tenda mar gera paya Masara Sori masani gedo mari osechunga kuom thuolo malach. Odege mabene ni losi sub-county manyatike wacho ni giserito kuom aminga mondo mi kontrakta no atiek gedo no, to mano pok otimore ka koro gimiyo kontrakta no mana dwe achiel mondo mi otiek gedo makamano.
We cannot have a contractor on a road for more than 4 years doing nothing. As the MP of Nyatike, I'm making an announcement here today. In the next 1 month, if Kogli cannot come back seriously to work on this road, I'll use my people to eject them from this road. And it will not be kind. Ejecting them on this road will not be kind because they lose their property. It will not be bed of roses.
Apaya Masara Sori en achiel kuom apeyini ma jatend piny William Ruto nosingo ni biro tiek gedo mage e kinde mabende notimo limbe e kaunti ma Migori higa mokalo. Jaod burano manyatike bende dwaro mondo mi sirkal ochul jotich mag piny owacho mati sub-county manyatike.
I know we have people here who are working from different corners of this country. The status of Addis allowance in my constituency, we are pushing for Addis allowance to be paid in this constituency. I know we are still meeting some challenges when it comes to budget. I'm meeting the Minister for National Treasury tomorrow, and I hope we are going to agree about it, so that come July this year, we can implement Addis allowance for those who are working in Nyatike.
Imedo winjo matuch e kor gwenge gi Roda Odhiambo.